Today I'm making a refreshing passion fruit mojito using fresh passion fruit straight from my garden. This channel is dedicated to the things I make using ingredients I grow myself. I grow a lot of passion fruit because it's such an easy crop to grow. It produces heavily, tastes incredible, and can be used in everything from desserts to drinks like this one. If you'd like to learn how to grow passion fruit, I'll link my passion fruit garden guide in the description below, along with seeds and plants available from my nursery. And if you'd like the full written recipe with exact ingredient, measurements, and step-by-step directions, that's also linked in the description. Let's get started making this passion fruit mojito. In a tall glass, add 4 torn mint leaves, some lime juice, and some granulated sweetener of choice. I'm using monk fruit, but you can also use regular sugar. Muddle the ingredients together to release the flavor of the mint. Then add some white rum and passion fruit juice or puree. If your passion fruit juice has seeds, strain them out first. Next, add enough crushed ice to create a thick layer. This keeps the mint leaves at the bottom so you don't drink them. Then top off with some club soda. Stir gently and garnish with a sprig of mint. Enjoy, preferably while in the garden. The full recipe is linked in the description, and if you're interested in growing your own passion fruit, check out my garden guide and plants or seeds available from my nursery. Cheers!